The crypto market just lost 40% of its value in 90 days. And the question everyone's whispering in Discord servers and finance subreddits is whether this is the opportunity of a lifetime or a trap dressed up in a discount sticker. We're talking billions in liquidations, legendary investors going quiet, and your portfolio looking like it lost a fight with a blender. Here's what actually happened. Interest rates tightened, institutional money rotated out of risk assets, and suddenly the narrative flipped from digital gold to digital gone. It's like the whole market was a party. The Fed turned on the lights, and everyone realized they've been dancing with strangers. The headlines that once screamed Bitcoin to 1 million are now collecting dust next to your old NFT receipts, and that one article about how Dogecoin was going to the moon. Momentum didn't just stall, it reversed, took your confidence with it, and left a lot of people questioning whether they ever understood what they were buying in the first place. Psychologically, this is where conviction gets stress tested, and most people quietly fail that test by selling into fear or freezing entirely. Cathie Wood stays bullish. Michael Saylor keeps buying. And yet your coworker who got in at the top just told you crypto is basically dead, which, historically, is one of the more reliable buy signals we have. Crypto has done this before. The crash of 2018 wiped out 85% of total market cap. And the 2022 collapse mirrored it, almost beat for beat. Every cycle feels like a new catastrophe, but zoom out and the chart looks less like a disaster and more like a very aggressive staircase. Here's the thing most people miss. Bear markets are where the next bull market's winners are actually accumulated quietly and without fanfare. The community has a phrase for it, accumulation zone. And while it sounds like cope when you're watching red candles, the data from every prior cycle backs it up. The biggest misconception floating around right now is that waiting for confirmation of a new bull run means you'll catch the move safely. But by the time confirmation arrives, 50 to 70% of the gains are already gone. Waiting for certainty in crypto is like waiting for the smoke to clear before deciding if there was a fire useful information. Terrible timing. So what do you actually do with this? History says you dollar cost average in, you don't bet the house, and you treat position size like a religion rather than an afterthought. The people who built generational wealth in prior cycles weren't the ones who timed the bottom. They were the ones who were already incised correctly and didn't panic out at the worst moment. Process beats prediction every single time in volatile markets, and crypto is just volatility with better branding. Set your entry levels in advance, stick to them unemotionally, and let the market come to you rather than chasing it like it owes you something. Discipline and sizing matter more than your thesis, your research, or your conviction, because conviction without a plan is just expensive stubbornness. The investor who buys a small, consistent position through the bear market almost always outperforms the one who waits for the perfect moment and hesitates straight through the recovery. There's something almost philosophical about a market that rewards patience so transparently and yet attracts so many impatient people. It's like the whole system is designed to filter out everyone who can't sit still. The edge in crypto has never really been information. It's always been emotional regulation at scale. Whether Bitcoin goes to 0 or 100,000 next, the rational move is the same. Know your size, know your exit, and don't let the noise make your decisions for you. Comfort with uncertainty isn't weakness, it's the actual skill set this market is testing for. And if you're ready to start building real wealth with a clear head and a disciplined strategy, check out our links in the description below where we can help you get started, whether in crypto education, real estate investing, home contracting work, or finding lenders.